I chose the right
This
here.
is my plan.
This is your plan,
But this is my plan.
but my execution. Okay.
I just command you whatever I want.
Wow.
You execute, no. You did it properly.
Okay.
Here's about the fish.
Nice.
It's not flour.
It's not sour?
It's not flour.
Oh. What is it?
But really taste the fish. Kaya.
Right. Yeah. They're very proteiny.
What are you? We're by the river. Do you think it's a good price for 4 baht?
For 8 of them, yeah. It's a big thing. You want to try your coffee before it gets watered down?
Nothing. This is a different milk tea. Good thing we had 50% sugar. It's not as strong as the Thai milk tea, but it's still good.
This is the barbecue that we got. We had to go back and get seconds.
It's really good. No need for sauce. Try the milk tea.
Good. Not too sweet.
Yeah, just the right amount of sweetness. Woo! Ay! What's next?
Crispy fat. This is really good too.
I'm surprised we don't have rice today.
I don't think we have room. I have the leftover sticky rice in my bag from yesterday.
Really?
You think it's still good?
I don't know. Where did we... Ah, from the market.
Yeah, we bought one that was like extra.
The chicken, the rice from the chicken. It's so hard.
I don't know. You tell me. You're the rice expert.
Well, you have to really taste it to know.
I don't want to.
But I don't want to eat rice. They will have a lot of meat. You try the milk tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, already. What's next? Here, the pork.
Oh yeah. Who saw this one? Me or you?
You. Good?
Oh.
It's like just when you wanted that ribs, it's just the same.
Basically.
It's pretty soft.
Yeah.
There's no fat in the food in here.
Oh, it's super good. So we got fish balls, pork, milk tea, crispy rice cakes, pork skin, and then another type of fried pork.
It's worth a 5 pesos, 5 baht, right?
Yeah, for sure. What are you looking at?
A vending machine where you could order milk tea, coffee, smoothies. Oh.
Do you want anything, or have you ever used
Just to try the vending machine.
you ever used a vending machine like this before?
You want some soft drinks? But there's no English on here. What about this?
I think
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Ice medicine drink soda. We got Thai milk tea. Maybe Just this, Pepsi.
Just a Pepsi.
Uh-huh. What do you mean by blend?
You can put an additive in it, like cherry Pepsi or vanilla. Do you want to blend it?
Let's see.
Or maybe no. Maybe it comes out as a blended drink, so it's like
Okay.
so that it's like a slushy. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Lid and straw. Okay. Okay,
Blend.
now that's 25. Okay. How do we pay this bit?
No, I don't know if that's where the coin goes.
Let's see.
Do you have $5? Yeah, I think it goes
Here?
in there. Yeah.
I can't get it.
It's okay, just get a fresh one. Or put a 10, maybe it'll give you $5 back.
Let's see.
Hey, that's gonna make your drink.
Wait, can't get this anymore.
Can you use a $1 to knock it loose?
No, I'll take the change.
The straw.
Oh, there's the lid. Should I get it?
Yeah, grab your straw.
And the lid.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it's blending. Get your $5 change, which will be down there.
Okay. Put the 5 cents.
There it is.
Blended Pepsi. Oh, you're right. You're right.
Have you had one of these before? Frozen Pepsi.
No, I think.
That's a nice cup, too.
Yeah, it's like
Is it good?
super refreshing.
What about the boat?
Yeah, there. Where will it go?
I think those are just short distance ones.
But we did not pay, so we could just ride on it.
I don't know. I think you're supposed to pay somebody.
But there's
Yellow.
how did you know it's a yellow?
I don't know. That says that's the one that's arriving on the board. See, the yellow says arriving and the blue says 4 minutes.
There's no boat yet.
All right.
Another boat ride. This is longer now. We don't have just have to cross the other side. I think that's it.
Yeah. I don't see a blue flag, but soon it'll be us.
I think I'm very a foreigner now. I don't care about it.
You excited?
Yeah. Let's take a photo now. Super hot babe.
I chose the right
This
here.
is my plan.
This is your plan,
But this is my plan.
but my execution. Okay.
I just command you whatever I want.
Wow.
You execute, you did it properly.
Okay.
Wow. Luckily, it's not super sunny though.
No.
Oops, but it is now. It is now, actually. I don't care. We're in a vacation.
All right, more picture time.
I'm enjoying.
Your first bridge.
Yeah.
Bridge part 2.
Napaklaw. Oh, I like the shade.
Yeah.
Wow.
Such nice background too.
Yeah. Ooh, I think we're in the. What do you think they did? Like a high-end district in Bangkok?
Probably. I think that's the downtown area.
It's like a puzzle.
Yeah.
There's like missing pieces.
Yeah, it looks like a Jenga puzzle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you were asking about downtown where there's tall buildings. I think that's downtown.
I haven't seen icons yet.
No.
Look at this. Look at the structure.
Wow. Maybe. Every floor has a huge balcony.
Oh. Oh yeah. Right.
Yeah.
And it's very social.
Just like you today.
Oh. Yeah. Because we're on a cruise.
You want some more of your Pepsi?